In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a decision tree diagram. We'll build it right inside Confluence using the draw.io app, also known as diagrams.net. By the end, you'll know exactly how to install the app, add a diagram to a page, and publish a clean, readable decision tree. First, open Confluence. From the top navigation, open Apps. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions, so check with your site admin. Next, choose Explore More Apps to open the marketplace. In the search bar, type draw.io. When you find the draw.io app, select it and install. Installation may require admin approval. Once it's added to your site, you're ready to create. Head to the space or page where you want the decision tree to live. Open the page editor by clicking Edit. Inside the editor, open Insert Elements. In the search field that appears, type draw.io, then choose draw.io diagram. A setup window will open to help you start your diagram. Here you can pick a ready-made option by selecting templates, which can save time and provide helpful structure. If you prefer to design from scratch, choose blank diagram. Either way, confirm by clicking Create to open the canvas. Now build your decision tree. Click or drag shapes onto the diagram area to lay out the main decision at the top, followed by branches for each choice or outcome. Connect shapes with arrows so the flow is unambiguous. Double-click to add short, clear labels to decisions, options, and results. Keep spacing consistent and align items so the tree is easy to scan. If your tree grows wide, use the zoom and pan tools to navigate comfortably. If you need more specialized symbols, open more shapes. This lets you enable additional libraries such as flowchart or business diagram sets, which can include decision and endpoint symbols. After selecting the libraries you want, click Apply to add them to your sidebar. You can then continue dragging the new shapes into your diagram and refining the layout. Use color or line styles sparingly to emphasize key branches without creating visual noise. When you're satisfied with the structure and readability, publish your work to make it visible to your team. Click Publish, and your diagram will be embedded on the page. You can return to edit anytime to update branches as decisions evolve. That's it. You installed draw.io, inserted a diagram into a Confluence page, chose a template or a blank canvas, added and customized shapes, enabled more shape libraries, and published your decision tree.